disperse the remaining $113,000 in his trust account to my clients, and there was additional monies paid by his law firm.
Eric Bland addressing the court. He's very familiar with this case. Let's bring back John Mobley before we hit the break at the top of the hour. John, so if you are representing Mr. Fleming, what are you going to say to the guy that knows everything? You know, this is not a judge that doesn't have knowledge of the case. I mean, there's just no way to get around that. He knows everything. So what are you going to say? Are you blaming it all on Alec?
I tell you, the first thing I'm going to say is Eric Bland never met a microphone he didn't like. I mean, this guy is just going on and on and on. I mean, the victim talked for almost 30 seconds, and Eric is up there giving a freaking closing argument. I don't even know why he's talking. I mean, it's just not even necessary. I mean, like you said, the judge knows all the facts. I mean, it's clear. But you would think Eric's a freaking prosecutor in the case where he's going on and on and on, which he does in every aspect of this case. So, hey, more power to him. You know, so, you know.
Does that mean bless your heart in South Carolina?
Hey, I got to call it like I see it. You know, but, I mean, Debbie's trying to get sympathy for the devil. It is going to be an uphill battle. And that is the only, thing that she can do. I mean, again, main goal is to get the judge to run the sentence concurrent or at the same time as the federal sentence and really kind of lay out an argument for him to get on the lower end of the sentencing range. But I mean, what she's got to do is really, you know, lean in and admit to what he did. I mean, and just kind of own it. I think what judges don't like is when a person wants to plead guilty and supposedly accept responsibility for their conduct and get the benefit for that, but at the same time, try to act like what they did was not that bad or they really weren't that guilty. I'm pleading guilty because I did it, but I'm really not so bad. So, I mean, she's got to be very, very careful about the facts that she contests. She better have some strong evidence. And I really think for her, stick with the documents. Don't try to get too emotional.
Yeah.